Japan is awesome. Love the place, absolutely love it. It's a very warm, welcoming country. The vibe here is that everyone's right behind it. I find it a gorgeous country as well. I mean, maybe there's not much behind me right now, but you know, it's stunning. We're under Mount Fuji. The waters are clean and nice. And if you like sushi, it's a good place to be, and I love sushi.
Hayama is this cute little seaside town that has these amazing local coffee shops and restaurants, and you know, all the people are so welcoming.
The locals in Hayama have really made the British sailing team feel welcome. It's so nice when we spend a long time here that you know you kind of almost feel at home and everyone's smiling at you, and you know they enjoy seeing you in the restaurants in the evening and stuff. And yeah, I don't know, it's just a home from home now.
I didn't really know what I expected of Japan before I came. Last year was the first time we came here. I really like Hayama. I think it's a really pretty little village, and it's got a lot of like coffee shops and like places so you can go and hang out in the evening, and that's what's like quite good for us when we need to switch off. So it's quite nice to hang out.
Coming to Hayama and feeling that warm support of the people is unique. We don't go anywhere else in the world and go to a venue and the locals are this friendly and this kind of excited by it, so it makes these long trips easier.